In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix C drive full for no reason in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your C drive is filling up for no reason, it's often due to two main culprits. There's a security update bug or a massive AI-driven background indexing. So Microsoft has acknowledged a bug where system files bloat or the C drive becomes inaccessible after an update. So what we're going to do is right-click your Windows icon, go over to Settings. Once you're in settings, go over and find Windows Update. So mine is right there. Once you go ahead to Windows Update, go over and find Update History. Now, if you see one which is KB5077181, what you want to do is uninstall it. So what we can do is go to the bottom, go to Uninstall Updates. If you find that update, uninstall it right there. Now, what you could also do is purge the Windows Update cleanup. So if you don't have a bug, Windows 11 often keeps 20 to 40 gigabytes of old update files just in case you want to go back. So what you could do is press Windows key and R, which is going to open this little thing up. Then type in clean mgr like so, and go ahead and click enter. Go ahead and select your C drive, go ahead and press OK, and you're going to see all of this stuff right here. Now what you want to do is go over to clean up system files if you see that as an option, which is right here. And then you're going to see C, and then it's going to be cleaning up those system files for you and scanning it. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. You can obviously delete anything you want over here. And yeah, like system recovery, log files, anything like that as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.